very unique to our Concro caravans is our pressure pads. What it basically does, it sucks air through a filter system into the caravan, puts positive pressure in the caravan while traveling on dust roads. It minimizes the dust intake. But this filter needs to be cleaned every now and then. You'll see when you're traveling those Namibia roads, after the 5th, 6th day, depending on how much dust road traveling you were doing, that the pressure fan starts laboring. You can actually hear the pressure fan laboring. Then it's time to do your morning maintenance before you travel again. Basically 4 bolts that you loosen. You take the little cover off, and there's the filter. Some of the older caravans, you could maybe find that the filter was stuck down. If it was stuck down, you can just take your compressor and clean it up. Otherwise, you can take it off, give it a good shake out, even blow it with your compressor, put it back on, goes up 10 minutes, and your maintenance on this whole system is done.